Hi, some advice for you all out there in the UK. If you're cutting grass in this extreme heat, 36 centigrade, and we have no rain, the grass is going to die and it will turn brown. So what you do, stick your mower on its highest height, like this one here. So I can put my foot down underneath, right underneath. And on the front as well. With these old ones, which I like with the slightly modern ones, they don't have these 4 levers here. On the slightly newer ones, they have a lever on here, but this one is handy. Got 4 levers. If you want to go slightly higher, you have to undo that nut to make it go down even further, to make it high underneath here. So what I'm going to cut is this long stuff here, which is grass. It used to be daisies, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to do. If you see any backward, pull it up. It's dangerous to horses and it will kill them. Oh, it's warm today. So on one of these, you start it on tick over. See if it will start. Okay, put on automatic choke. Hayterette's a bit splattery. Let's have a look what has gone wrong. Is that a petrol, is it? No. Let's top it up, I think. Let's look at the spark plug. It could be dirty, or the spark plug just failed on me. Could be that. Found the problem, so the spark plug needs cleaning. So we get a wire brush, it's the correct thing to use there. Make sure you clean this bit here, and the gap is very important down there, and this bit in the middle needs cleaning as well. If you have an airline, you should blow the bits out. Another thing you can use is car cleaner or brake cleaner. Do this. Get all the dirt out. Till you think, well, then do it again. Do it in this angle as well. That angle, this angle. All different angles to get down in that centre bit here. So look. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm going to check the oil and fill it up with petrol, do all my checks again. So I'm going to check the oil now. How much we got in there? Yeah. Yep. That's spot on. That's fine. It's where it tips it up. That's why it was smoking. Because we're doing the height adjusters on that side. That's the only reason why. So the spark plug is clean and reset the gap. Oil is fine on it. It's petrol now. This is E5 petrol. I always use E5 petrol, not E10. Make sure it starts before I start cutting grass from the shed. Let's have a look.